Welcome, dear sisters, to our sacred gathering, woven into the vibrant tapestry of a global sisterhood, a lineage that spans past, present, and future, uniting us heart to heart, hand in hand. As we gently settle into this sacred space together, let us embrace the spirit of spring, a time of renewal and awakening. Reflect and release the activities of the day, connecting with your natural breath. Recognize your journey to this moment, honoring all that has transpired and the warmth of sisterly love that has brought you here under the renewing light of spring. Embrace yourself in a nurturing hug, a legacy passed down from 1,000 grandmothers, as if warmed by the gentle sun of spring itself. Take a deep breath, releasing any remnants of the day just as the earth sheds the last signs of winter, preparing for new growth. Take 2 more deep cleansing breaths, drawing in the fresh, rejuvenating air of spring. Now, gently close your eyes, envisioning your root chakra at the base of your spine, reaching deep into the awakening earth, anchoring you firmly in this moment. Imagine your roots intertwining with Mother Earth. Take the time to contemplate their origin and how far they stretch, nourished by the fertile soil of spring, the promise of renewal feeding your soul. In your mind's eye, see a magical meadow, bathed in the soft golden light of spring. This meadow, alive with the greenest grass, is sprinkled with vibrant wildflowers, symbols of resilience and new beginnings. This meadow is surrounded by budding trees, their branches a testament to nature's cycle of rebirth. Now visualize yourself standing in this beautiful verdant meadow. The sun is warm on your skin as a gentle breeze dances around you, carrying the energy of renewal. You can see the vibrant colors of new life all around you. The lush greens of new leaves, the bright hues of flowers opening to the sky, the sound of birds singing, and the soft buzz of bees pollinating fill your ears. A symphony of life that vibrates through your entire being. In your hands, you hold seeds, each one representing an aspect of your life you wish to see grow and flourish in the coming months. It could be love, health, creativity, or peace. Whatever seeds you choose to plant today in this meditation will be the focus of your growth this spring. As you walk through the meadow, you find a spot that calls to you, a place where the earth looks rich and welcoming. Here, you begin to plant your seeds one by one into the fertile ground. With each seed, you plant a wish, a dream, a goal. You cover them gently with soil, watering them with your hopes and nurturing them with your attention. Take a moment to stand back and observe the meadow, feeling a deep connection to the earth and to the potential that lies within the seeds you've just planted. Know that with care, patience, and love, these seeds will grow, mirroring the growth within yourself. Here in this haven of rejuvenation, approach the wise grandmotherly weeping willow. Her branches adorned with tender young leaves sway in the gentle breeze, inviting you to release anything you do not wish to bring into the sacred space of the red tent. Under the watchful gaze of Grandmother Willow, whose deep roots are a mirror to your own, stretching beneath the flourishing meadow, we find a connection to the earth below and the spirit above. At her base, surrender any burdens, leaving them with her, as the soil absorbs the old, making way for new growth. Silently follow the path through the woods, now alive with the sounds of animals emerging from winter's rest, a reminder of life's resilience. They lead us to a clearing where the sun, warmer now, nurtures our sisterhood, its light a beacon of hope and renewal. Here in this sanctuary adorned by the touch of spring, let your spirit dance freely, transforming into your truest self amidst the embrace of new beginnings. When you feel ready, make your way to the red tent. Its entrance shaped like an open lotus, symbolizing rebirth, welcoming you amidst the blossoms of spring. As you enter, find your place in our circle, surrounded by your sisters, in a space lined with silks, the air fresh with the scent of blooming flowers, sparkling with the joy of spring, and centered around the divine feminine, the heart of our sisterhood. Before we proceed, let us send love to our priestess, a wise woman embodying the renewal of spring. Project that radiant love from your heart to hers, connecting and acknowledging our shared wisdom, nurtured in the spirit of this rejuvenating season. Now, let us speak the words of In the Heart of the Grove, the Red Tent Sisterhood prayer, echoing the themes of rebirth and renewal that spring bestows upon us. In the sacred circle of the red tent we unite, as seekers and sages embracing our inner light, authentic and sovereign in sisterhood's grace. We hold our stories safe in this hallowed place. Here, where secrets are treasured and silently kept, in the trust of the grove where our ancestors stepped. We pledge to each other our shares remain veiled, in the strength of our bond where truth has prevailed. Rooted in earth under the cosmic sky's expanse, we honor the dance of fate and chance. In the red tent's embrace where our spirits sing, we feel the pulse of the universe in everything. Grounded in the wisdom the Earth Mother imparts, guided by the stars aligning our hearts. In the canopy of night, our spirits take flight, illuminated by the moon, our inner sight bright. In this sacred grove, our sisterhood thrives. Through seasons and cycles, our essence survives. Together we rise with the earth and the skies. In the red tent, our sanctuary, where our power lies. Gently start to bring awareness back to your body within the temple of the red tent. Now fully present and connected, refreshed by the spirit of spring. As a symbol of our inner light and the renewal that spring brings, I invite each of you to light your candle, holding it up for us for all to see, its flame a beacon of hope, growth, and new beginnings. So it shall be. Amen and aho.